examination. Okay, so in this video we will going to see the eligibility criteria, paper pattern and cutoff, seats, campus tour and placements. Okay, so all these things we are going to see in this video. So video पूरा अंत तक देखिएगा आप जरूर. So before we going to start, we have launched a new YouTube channel that is called as Maneuver Hotel Management. Okay, so this YouTube channel is specifically for hotel management and we are going to prepare in this YouTube channel. हम लोग इस पे आपको सभी होटल मैनेजमेंट के एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में बताएंगे. सो जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सकता है आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए. अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोलिए सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, बिकॉज शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग. सो लेट अस कम टू IHM Bhopal. So very first we will going to see what is the eligibility criteria of IHM Bhopal, how to take admission, what are the age criteria in IHM Bhopal to get admission in IHM Bhopal. So age criteria, if you are a general category student, that means open category student, so your age should not exceed 25 years more. 25 साल से ज़्यादा आपका उम्र नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, and if you are SC candidate, then your age should not exceed to 28 years. Okay, and to reach in IHM Bhopal, you have to give this NCHM CET JEE examination. Okay, and other qualification, what are this? 10 plus 2 12th examination. So you should have English as one of the mandatory subject, that is one of the most important. Mostly all the streams, that is arts, science, commerce, they have English as a mandatory subject. Okay, now talking about paper pattern. So paper pattern is carrying 200 questions. The exams is around 3 hours. Okay, and which is having 180 minutes. Okay, now exam mode is online. It will be CBT, that is computer based test. Okay, exam will be held in the month of April and these are the paper pattern. You can see numerical ability, analytical reasoning, logical deduction, general knowledge, current affairs, English language aptitude for service sector. Total they have 200 question and 800 marks, and there is also negative marking in this examination. So if you are making one right question, you will get 4 marks. If you are mistaking one question, that is if you are marking wrong question, you will lose -1. And if we talk about cutoff, so how many marks or how many rank is required to get into IHM Bhopal? Friends, last year, that was 2020, okay, so the cutoff was 3418 rank. Okay, and for open category student, and if you want to know what is the marks exactly, you need to score 500 plus marks. Okay, and you have to mark correct 125 question, then only you will going to score 500 or more than. If you are getting more than 125 question, then you will get more than 500 marks and you will be easily going to get admission in IHM Bhopal. Now what is the intake capacity of IHM Bhopal? What are the program they offered, and in that program how many seats are there in IHM Bhopal? So IHM Bhopal is having courses like BSc in hospitality and hotel administration, and they have one special program also in this same institute, hospitality in hotel administration for vegetarian cuisine. Okay, जो लोग शाकाहारी है, those who are vegetarian, if they want to learn more and more about vegetarian foods, how these are there, okay, so you can opt. A vegetarian student also can go for BSc in hotel administration with vegetarian cuisine as a specialization, and total seat with these two courses they have 291. Okay friends, this seat may vary year to year because number of seat every year it changes. Okay, and now craftsmanship, there is also one program, अबाउट IHM भोपाल. सो इस वीडियो का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कि IHM भोपाल एग्जैक्टली कैसे है, इसका प्लेसमेंट क्या है, इसके कैंपस कैसे है, स्टूडेंट्स शुड ये सारी चीज़ें इन्हें देखनी होती कि ये क्या है. तो हम लोग देखते हैं कि IHM भोपाल कैसे है, क्या है इनके प्लेसमेंट्स. ओके, सो IHM भोपाल इज सेंट्रल इंडियाज का लीडिंग गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंस्टीट्यूट fabricating up and coming professional for the hospitality sector since 1986. So it is since 1986 this particular institute is there. It is also India Institute of Hotel Bhopal is leading ISO certified, that is 9001 2015. There are certain parameters which is given by ISO and IHM Bhopal is fulfilling that particular parameter. So that is why they have been certified ISO, that is 9001 and 2015 ISO certified IHM Bhopal. So this is also one of the good parameter that IHM Bhopal is having certification of ISO. Okay, now talking about campus. So this is the exactly infrastructure building of IHM Bhopal. So it is in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now we will go little bit campus tour. Exactly इसका campus कैसे होता है, how it looks inside outside. Okay, so it has very big kitchen. Okay, बहुत बड़े kitchen है with the well equipped everything. What are the things are required for the kitchen and hotel administration, everything they have. Okay, well developed, like this is there. Classroom, audio visual classrooms are also there. Many more things are there in this, and excellent infrastructure they have, really nice infrastructure they have, and lots of book and well maintained library they have, which is one of the most important character for this particular IHM Bhopal. Okay, talking about placement in IHM Bhopal, there are many companies coming for the placements to the placement. Okay, now I have mentioned over here some companies which are well known. Okay, Tommy, JP Group, the Leela, Hilton, Taj is there, JW Marriott is there, Grand Hyatt is also there. These are certain companies, top companies which recruit the student in their companies, and the salary package what they get at the initial level, highest is 5 lakh rupees per annum, average will be 3 lakhs and medium will be 1.80. Okay, my dear students, ये जो सैलरी पैकेज आपको दी जाती है कंपनी के द्वारा, इट टोटली डिपेंड्स हाउ यू परफॉर्म इन योर एकेडमिक्स. दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. एंड आपका जो इनका जो प्लेसमेंट होता है, ये मैनेजर लेवल, एग्जीक्यूटिव लेवल, ट्रेनी लेवल तक किया जाता है, बिकॉज IHM भोपाल ट्रेन द स्टूडेंट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर होटल नॉर्म्स. होटल के जो भी हायरार्कीज होते हैं उसके हिसाब से ये अपने सिलेबस और अपने करिकुलम को प्लान करके उनके अकॉर्डिंग वो स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेन करते हैं डायरेक्टली. इसीलिए इतनी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज जो है ये यहाँ पे आके रिक्रूट करती है. सो दैट इज द मेन रीजन कि ये सारी कंपनी IHM भोपाल आके रिक्रूटमेंट देती है स्टूडेंट्स को. एंड एज you know have experience, more and more experience, these are just numbers and it will going to increase. So this IHM Bhopal give you best return on investment. Okay, so this is also one of the most important thing, that is the placement. Okay, now if you want to crack NCHM, CET, JEE, then we have our online programs. Okay, you can join us, you can order books, mock tests, sectional courses, full courses. Okay, you can join live lectures also. Okay, we have online program. You can call us on 8828581455, and you can also visit our website manueredu.com/hotel management. Friends, you can also come to our classroom. Okay, we have classroom at Mumbai, we have various center, Borivali, Dadar, Vasai, and this is all about IHM Bhopal. And if you want any videos on different IHMs, so you can write in the comment section you want which IHM